Hey guys, nice to see you again. When it comes to autumn and winter, we should pay more attention to the maintenance of an e-bike. Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new episode of How To and Tips. In autumn and winter, as the climate changes, the temperature and also the humidity will also change significantly. Different from spring or in summer, the climate in autumn and winter is dry, which has a great impact on the mechanical components of electric bicycles, such as the wear of the brake pads and also the friction inside of the motor, which affects power consumption. And the low temperature has great impacts on the wheel pressure and battery usage, bike paint, and etc. This is also the reason why many people find that electric bikes often make abnormal noises in autumn and winter. The bike can neither ride fast nor go far, and even the charge time has become longer than before. So, how do we maintain the electric bike in winter and autumn in a certain way? Let me tell you. First of all, electric bikes should be stored indoors because the main parts of electric bikes are like rubber and metal, especially the drivetrain, which is directly exposed to the air. If electric bikes are parked outside for a long time in autumn and winter, the wind and the rain will accelerate the aging of tires, and also the rain will cause metals to rust. The rain, snow, and accumulated fallen leaves and dust not only affect the appearance of the bike frame, but also weaken the sensitivity of each component, and then affect the performance of the whole bike. In autumn and winter, the temperature difference between the day and night is huge, affected by the principle of the thermal expansion and cold contraction. The air pressure of the tires often fluctuates. Therefore, we need to regularly check whether the pressure is normal and inflate the tire in time. At the same time, when riding a bicycle, try to avoid some relatively poor road conditions and try to pass around like potholes, stones, and other obstacles on the road. Once the tire pattern is severely worn, replace it with a new tire in time. Tip 3. Generally, the brakes of electric bikes can be used for 1 to 2 years, but in winter and autumn, due to the dry climate, it often got more friction, which leads to the wear of the brake pads. Therefore, we try to avoid frequent braking and sudden braking during riding, because frequent braking will aggravate the wear of the brake pads and seriously affect the life of the brakes. When the ground is frozen, sudden braking at high speeds will increase the risk of rear-end collisions and cause safety accidents. In addition, once the brakes fail, they need to be repaired or replaced in time. Battery is the decisive factor of the range. To make the battery more durable, daily maintenance is essential, especially in autumn and winter. If the electric bike is not used for a long time, it is also necessary to ensure that it's charged at least once a month. Batteries also need special attention to keep warm, especially in winter, and try to choose to charge indoors to avoid adverse effects on the battery due to low temperature. I made a battery maintenance video before, and you can check it if you like in our channel. Dear riders, love your e-bike more when it is autumn and winter. These will not only prolong the service life of the electric bikes, but also better protect our safety and enjoy the e-bike travel. Well, if you like my sharing and haven't subscribed us yet, please click the button to follow us. And don't forget, give us a thumbs up, and dear riders, we'll see you next time.